find and adjust the display settings on the POCO C65, first open the settings. Then from here you will have to scroll down and the display settings appears right here. So on this phone we got option to turn on and off the dark mode and also set the schedule for the dark mode. So when you click on the switcher you will be able to set the custom start and the end time. Next we've got also the brightness level, and with the slider we can adjust the brightness manually right here automatically, and also we can turn on the brightness for the sunlight mode. Now when we go back we got also the reading mode, so it actually reduces the blue light that comes from our phone. So here we've got the reading mode, the classic mode or the paper mode. You can also set it as a schedule. And next when we go back we can also find the colors, and my favorite is actually the vivid. That's also the refresh rate, so we can manually set the 60 or 90 Hz or set the default to automatically adjust the refresh rate. And below we can also find the font styles. We will move into this font store where we can actually get the new fonts. Also we can find the text size and also the auto rotation on screen. And that's basically it. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.